Introducing a new dimension in night hunting with the XSPECTER CROW Series. Designed for hunters requiring supreme stability, easy installation, and 360-degree thermal or night vision panoramic view on their vehicles. Whether you are hunting predators or wild boars, the CROW Series carrier systems provide the flexibility and stability you require. Utilizing the innovative XSPECTER app and Bluetooth remote control, you can manage your handheld thermal camera, streaming live video directly to your smartphone or portable device. Whether driving through the forest or in the field, the CROW Series carrier systems keep your thermal camera stable and prepared. Constructed from lightweight materials, the CROW Series carrier systems offer stable and secure mounting for your thermal camera, even in the most challenging hunting and weather conditions. Experience the ultimate hunting solution with the CROW Series carrier systems. XSPECTER, night hunting gear for professionals.